Hello everyone, in this video let's see how to launch Safari browser in Cypress. Cypress has experimental support for the Safari browser engine known as WebKit. WebKit support is provided in Cypress version 10.8.0. Therefore, you need to use the version 10.8.0 or higher. This feature is added with the help of Playwright's contributor and use Playwright's build of WebKit. You need to install Playwright-webkit package and enable the configuration for it. Since support has been provided in the recent version and is experimental, some commands like origin and session might not work for you. You can check the open issue here with filter experiment :webkit. You can see WebKit support for sci.origin and sci.session. This is still open. You can check the open issue here and open an issue you encounter if not listed here. To install and enable the Playwright-webkit package, go to your Cypress config.js or ts, type experimental WebKit support, set its value to true, comma, and then install the package npm install -- save dev playwright-webkit. If you are using Linux machine, you need to install additional dependencies using npx playwright install deps webkit. Once you install the WebKit package and launch runner using npx cypress open, select your testing type. You will see option for WebKit. Select it and click on Start E2E testing in WebKit. You can see Playwright icon. So it's launching WebKit browser. Now you can execute your test the same way you execute for other browser. Select your file. You can see WebKit 16. Our tests are running in WebKit browser, the Safari browser engine. To execute from command line, type npx cypress space run -- space browser engine name WebKit -- spec for your spec file Cypress E2E your spec file name. You can see test is executing on WebKit browser 16 in headless mode. And screenshots and video is generated after execution. So you can experiment with this Safari web engine WebKit with less support and non-issue. Thank you for watching this video.